Hi Leo, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, you're most welcome as well. So today's reading is going to be a pure love reading for you, and it is going to be dated from 14th till 20th June. Okay, so let us get started. Let's ask spirit guides what has been going on in your love life. What is going on in the love life of my lovely Leo? Confusion, chaos, walking away, moving on, heartbreak. So something terrible must have happened in the past. You met certain someone, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, or yeah, Gemini, Libra, or Aquarius. Okay, so whatever happened, a lot of heartbreak right now. It seems like, or maybe you have already gone through this phase and you are now healing, or you have already been healed, or maybe some of you might still have this intense, trauma that is playing with your psyche at the moment as well. Okay, so a lot of chaos, confusion, struggle, fight, arguments, walking away in anger, moving on, and yeah, feeling that pain now dealing with that trauma that revisits again and again. All right, so what had happened in your recent past? Let me see what had happened in the recent past for my Leo, please. What had happened in the recent past? So yeah, something ended, something brought this connection to an end, and it was very dramatic. You couldn't even understand the yeah, the breakup that happened was so intense. It happened all of a sudden, and now when you look back at it, you feel like, okay, that was my divine protection. Okay, it happened for a reason. You understand that, universe was simply trying to protect you by, making you walk away from this individual. Okay, this person was clearly not deserving of you. Yeah, yeah, somebody really left you confused in the past. You really felt like you were, confined in the four walls of this relationship. Probably you had dealt with someone very toxic, someone who was overly possessive towards you, somebody who didn't allow you to have your freedom, somebody who wanted to keep you. Like I said, this person is standing in, in the castle. Okay, so you were enclosed in. What I mean to say is that, when you were in relationship with this individual, this person wanted you to be all about him or her, and they did not allow you to extend your energy towards your near and dear ones apart from this individual, because we have friends, we have family. You were simply, totally focusing on this person. Your energies were drained by this individual, your time you invested only on this individual, and you ignored every other relation. Okay, you were made to do that because this person was overly possessive, some sort of toxic behavior. Okay, this person would make you feel guilty for nothing. All right, yes. And what you realized in the past is that, okay, I'm not fulfilled at all, and this is not what I deserve. This is not what love is. Love is something else. Probably that realization came to you, through some sort of, synchronicity or epiphany that happened because of the judgment card over here. This card indicates angels, delivering some sort of message to you, or maybe, some divine orchestration which leads you to the correct path, or takes you away from the toxic situation, toxic relation. Okay, so definitely, yeah, divine stepped in, and then you understood something. It just You just got this spiritual download that, okay, I'm not in the correct place, correct relation. I'm not, everything is not fine in my life, and this is not love. Love is something else. So that is what you realized, and then you walked away, is what I'm getting. Yeah, that really made you feel like, you were investing at the wrong place, and you are not getting what you deserve. Okay, the reciprocation is not there, is what you felt, which is indicated by this seven of pentacles. So you walked away. So that is what happened in the past. So yeah, how's this person feeling right now towards my Leo? How's this past person feeling towards my Leo, please? How's this past person feeling towards my Leo? Yeah, they mm-hmm. Page of Pentacles and Six of Cups and Queen of Cups. Yes, they can see just how well you're doing. You're very creative, and yeah, you're making money. you're taking that step towards, doing your own business, or something, and you are, doing quite well. You are very confident, although you have only recently started, you know your journey in this path of financial independence. You have only started, but then, you have so much of confidence, you are led by compassion, and you are, moving ahead with that, like I said, compassion, confidence, that manner of sophistication as well, queen, right? And yeah, people are liking you, and you're moving ahead and being prosperous, and now this person, you know uh, feels like this thing has become a thing of past, and there's no chance for me to get along with Leo anymore. Okay, so six of cups is the card that relates to past. Okay, so this person feels like, I was quite immature in my dealing with Leo, and Leo has forgotten me. Probably Leo views me like someone very childish, someone ignorant, someone, you know flighty, and probably I won't get a chance with Leo anymore. And it seems like this person won't also. My goodness. Okay, so how are you feeling in this situation at the moment? I'm so sorry. Not in this situation. I've got the cards for how you're feeling in this situation. I've got these cards, right? So how you're feeling towards this individual, then we will explore what is there to come in the near future, okay? What's new in your life also, we will ask these spirit guides. But first I want to know how you're feeling towards this person, this particular individual in the past. Yeah, Knight of Pentacles. Yes, someone who is very confusing, someone who has lost your heart. Okay, so this person was, only after money is what I'm getting. Okay, this, for some of you, this person might have taken a lot of money from you, and you probably don't see the possibility of this person returning that. Or maybe this person hadn't taken as the loan from you, okay, while being in relationship. This person made you feel like, whatever is yours is mine, and whatever is mine is yours. And yeah, this person manipulated you heavily, and all that this person did being in that relation is, this person took away everything that you had, and now you feel like, that was a losing game for me. Wow, loving you is a losing game, kind of. Yeah, you are now feeling like that was a loss, emotional loss, financial loss, and you definitely don't want to get back to that. Okay, you want to keep it in the past, and this chapter is like closed for you. And even if this person comes, this person doesn't stand a chance anymore. Not anymore. That is the vibe that I'm getting. I don't know, it might not resonate with some of you out there, but then for majority of you, I feel like this person doesn't stand a chance anymore, because this person was literally a thief, literally a thief. Hmm. Okay, so let's see what is new in life for you. What's ahead of my Leo? What is new for them? What is yet to come? Please show us clearly. So somebody, it seems like, is going to find you online. All right. Somebody is going to find you online, and they'd be like, wow, I want to know more about this person. And this person is going to be all sneaky at the beginning. Okay, they would want to see, yeah, somebody is going to see you in social media through mutual friends or something. Okay, they'll just stumble across your account. They'll see your pictures, and then they'll be like, wow, I want to see more of this individual, and they will stalk you for a while. Or maybe this person might just, it might, if it is not a social media thing, then, physically this person will see you somewhere. They'll see you speaking or dealing with someone, and they'd be like, okay, this individual is interesting, Leo is interesting, so let me find out more. And yeah, this person is going to be someone very prominent. Okay, someone rich, somebody making good money, somebody who's holding a prominent position, somebody who's powerful. Yeah, career wise, doing really well. Like the King of Pentacles, somebody who belongs to the prestigious family, maybe, or maybe has created that name and fame for himself or herself. Okay, such kind of individual is going to find you somewhere, and this person will be like totally mesmerized. Their head will be like turned, just like this individual who's in Seven of Swords. Okay, so yeah, and this person would want to take that leap of faith. They'll feel like, wow, where was this gem, hiding all this time. Where were you until now? You are the one whom I was looking for. Where were you until now, Leo? You are the one whom I have been looking for my entire life, and this person would be like instantly wanting to have that, leap of faith with you. They'll put you on pedestal. They will understand your worth, just how deeply spiritual you are, and the impact, the positive impact of that upon you and upon the people around you. Okay, and they will understand that to be in partnership, lifetime partnership with an individual as spiritual as this is like a blessing. This person will finally understand your worth. They will be able to see you within that core self of yours, which makes you who you are today. They'll be able to see through you basically, and they will understand your worth, and they'll appreciate that. And yeah, they will want to sweep you off your feet. Okay, with this Six of Swords over here in this scenario, is this individual wanting to take you away from all your troubles and take you to the calmer waters. Some of you might, go on a cruise or something. Yeah, and that's how you might have your first date or something. Even if that is not the case, this is symbolic of this individual wanting to just take you away. They will see just how toxic situation around you is, how much trauma you have passed through already, and this person might already have gone through similar experiences in the past, and this person will understand that you have gone through so much, and now, and they will feel so much of love and so much of compassion for you, that they would want to simply take you away, because they will know, they will, the moment they see you, they'll realize that wow, you are not where you belong. You deserve so much more. You deserve so much more. Let me show you what you deserve. All right. Wow, I was guided to look at the bottom of the deck. This person is going to be your soulmate, your true counterpart, divine counterpart, and this person is going to come and, just like I said, they're going to sweep you off your feet. There's no doubt about that. All the troubles that you have been through until now, you know whatever you have been through. Now it is time for you to, experience that life of happiness with me. And this person will be, this is King of Pentacles, this person will be capable of, offering you every kind of happiness, and they'll feel very proud to have been able to offer all those things to a lady or a gentleman like you. They'll have so much of respect that they'll feel proud of themselves for being able to do all this for you. It will be like a matter of happiness. I hope I'm making it clear to you. But then, this person is, this is like a true, desire of every ladies and gentlemen, in the world, to have such individual who understands your worth, and who feels, when they look at you, they feel like wow, you deserve so much more. Let me do everything in my might to make you happy, to make you believe more in yourself, to help you celebrate the wonderful being that you are, to help you look at yourself through my eyes of appreciation. Wow, I'm so happy. I wish I had such person in my life. Anyways, Leo, congratulations to you at least. I'm very happy for you. I'm almost teary. I don't know. So congratulations to you. Expect some sort of miracle, and expect the arrival of such individual in your life. It seems like, your blessings are very much near. They're just around the corner. So keep your eyes and ears open. Keep your intuition open. So yeah, congratulations once again. Like this video so that it reaches out to more of Leo friends out there. And until the time I meet you again, I love you so much. Bye.